Welcome to your dream home, bright and spacious Cape Cod starter home with 3 bedrooms on large 0.71 acre lot. Hardwood floors. Detached 2-car garage workshop. Every man's dream. Dining room just off the kitchen. It features hardwood floors and cozy window bench, and beautiful wood countertops. Living room with large window to let in plenty of natural light. Master bedroom on main level. Bedrooms 2 and 3 on second. Well maintained and ready for a new owner. This is a very special home that can be taken to the next level. Your family and friends will enjoy the spacious backyard, perfect for family gatherings.